Good day po. We are here to present our project titled Tracking Management System using po yung grade algorithms. Ang system po is nakadesign para makatulong sa pag-manage ng parcel deliveries and by assigning riders to specific zones and ensuring efficient delivery using po yung concept ng grade algorithms. Uh, Now let me demonstrate how the system works. Una po is punta po to sa login page. Yung system po is mayroong predefined users, meron pong admin, rider 1, tsaka rider 2. Ngayon po maglalagin tayo as a admin. Ang username po is admin, tapos po yung password is admin123. Then login po.
Responsible for registering parcel before delivery. To create a parcel, we need to input category, price, zone, purok. Then let's create a sample parcel. Demo input, category, electronics, then yung price 5,000, zone, Hacienda, Dolores, Purok 1. After clicking generate parcel, the system automatically creates a unique tracking ID and generate a barcode. The parcel is now saved in the inventory list. We can also edit the parcel, delete the parcel. All data is stored using local storage, so even if we refresh the page, the data will remain saved. Optional. Refresh page to show persistence. Now let's proceed to the rider side.
Uh, I will now log in as a rider. Login. Yung username is rider1, then password is Hacienda. After login, we can see the deliver dashboard. Then the rider can only deliver parcel assigned to tier zone, which is Hacienda Dolores. Then now notice that parcel in the correct zone have a confirm deliver button, and parcel in the wrong zone are made as restricted. Then this is where the greedy algorithm is applied, and the system help the rider focus only on the best possible choice, which is delivering parcel in their assigned zone. Then click wrong parcel is available, and if the rider tries to deliver a parcel from different zone, then click restrict, and alert will appear saying wrong assignment. And this prevent incorrect decision. Then now correct parcel. Then now I will deliver a correct parcel. Click confirm deliver. Then once delivered, the parcel is removed from the list. The system update is instantly. This show a greedy approach because the rider process one valid task at a time without considering the entire route. Okay, that's it.